In for Katrina today. A wet start for your Saturday. When will things dry out? Meteorologist Eric Gage joins us now from the Storm Tracker 2 Weather Center with a look at what you need to know. Eric, good morning.
Good morning. Yes, and you said the 8th and 9th. It's moving pretty fast regardless. It's already October. I can't believe it.
Check my watching. It is indeed the 8th.
Yeah, it's feeling a little bit like fall right now, too. We have temperatures starting out in the 30s this morning, and we're warming up just slightly only into the 50s, so a cool fall day in store for us today. Starting out taking a live look at our Cooperstown camera, seeing a mixture of sun and clouds. That'll be the story for today. Once again, lake effect cloud cover is the story. Current temperature 41 degrees, feels like 36. Expect breezy conditions today as well. Wind speeds between 5 to 10 miles per hour from the northwest. Live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking some rain showers just south of the area for this morning. Still keeping an eye on the possibility of snow. However, the temperatures near the surface are warm. We're not tracking any snow, at least for the near future. With the headlines, chilly start this morning, lake effect clouds today, even a chance of some slight showers as well. Have your full Columbus Day weekend forecast coming up in just a minute. Before today, high 51 degrees, lake effect clouds, maybe a few showers or two. Have your full forecast coming up. Back over to you.
All right, so if you're going to go check out the leaves, definitely bring a jacket and maybe an umbrella. Thanks,
Yes.
Eric. Well, a Whitestown man and some...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. A chilly start this morning. A few light rain showers as well. Showers and clouds look to diminish throughout the day today, but still expect some mixture of clouds and sunshine and chilly temperatures for today. Start out by taking a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley. We're seeing, once again, mixture of clouds and sun. This is all due to some lake effect clouds heading to the east from Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. And taking a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry for the most part across central New York. Still tracking a few light lake effect showers just south of us, especially out towards Oneonta. This will be in the forecast at least for today as well as tomorrow as a high pressure gradually moves in from the south and moves its way towards the east. Local temperatures this morning on the chilly side, below freezing in the North Country, 32 degrees at Big Moose, 40 degrees in Whitesboro, 42 degrees in Westmoreland and Southern Valleys. Temperatures in the 40s and 30s, 39 degrees in Skenevis, 41 in Cooperstown, 39 degrees in Norwich, Sherburne, and Hamilton. Columbus Day weekend forecast looking mostly dry. Still cannot rule out an isolated shower, mainly due to lake effect cloud cover. And this will be in the forecast as well as today and tomorrow. A little bit warmer for Sunday and Monday, but still a higher chance of rain showers on Monday as a weaker system moves over our area. As we take a look at our radar and satellite composite, this is all due to a high pressure system. It wedged in between two cold fronts. As we're seeing right here, the winds are getting dragged out from the Great Lakes right now. And as we head into the next several days, still expect some cooler temperatures, cooler than average, I should say. And as this cold front pushes down from the north, expect more cloud cover heading into tomorrow afternoon, especially north and south of the Mohawk Valley, as well as increasing chances of rain showers there as well. So in our skycast for today, warming up only into the mid 50s, maybe even low 50s in most areas, with increasing clouds, especially north of the Mohawk Valley, decreasing clouds everywhere else. Cooling down tonight into the 30s, another chilly night in store for us tonight, and then warming up tomorrow into the upper 50s with rain showers from a lake effect cloud cover, gradually moving its way from the north towards the south and then weakening, head towards mostly dry conditions tomorrow as well. And then additional rain showers possible from a weak system moving through our area heading into early Monday morning. And by Monday afternoon, expect dry conditions as well. Dry conditions look to be in the forecast. Look ahead towards the next several days, starting out the work week next week. So for today, high 51 degrees, lake effect clouds, a bit breezy as well. Wind speeds between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, chilly, decreasing clouds, a low of 37. Tomorrow, high 56 degrees. Once again, lake effect clouds are in the forecast. And taking a look at our 7-day forecast, a little bit warmer for the next several days. Even more in the upper 60s Tuesday and Wednesday with decreasing clouds after Columbus Day, and rain showers look to return towards the end of next week. And our trivia question, what part of fall does central New York generally see peak fall colors?
Well, all right, so central New York, I mean, I guess I'm going to go B, mid-October. Because
Yeah, in the middle ground, yeah.
well, because I mean, if you're looking at Old Forge, you'd have to consider that is that the North Country, right? And it turns there
Yeah.
first. So I'm going to go in the middle.
Yeah, I would actually take all three just because North Country usually turns a little bit more
Sure.
sooner than other areas. Mohawk Valley is a bit later, so the general agreement is around mid-October between the 10th and 20th. So.
All right, so right around now. As we said, if you're going to go look at leaves today, bring an umbrella and a sweatshirt, a jacket, and
Yes,
everything else.
a cooler fall day today.
Absolutely. All right, thanks a lot, Eric. Well, the nation's dire school report back to weekend today. I'm Steve McMurray in for Katrina. We want to get you right over to the Weather Center. Meteorologist Eric Gage is there. Eric, good morning, and a little chilly, but trying to dry out for this Columbus Day weekend.
Yes, that's right, and a little bit warmer as well for tomorrow, as well as Columbus Day itself. But the chilly day is for today. In fact, temperatures warming up only into the low 50s for a high. Actually, a chilly start this morning too.
Yeah,
30s as well.
It was
so
like early
I walked
December
outside. I'm like, oh wow, it feels like winter right now.
No doubt.
Taking a look at our fall foliage report so far, if you're looking to see some of the colors for this weekend, expect near peak to peak colors in the North Country. There's some beautiful colors up there right now. Still lagging behind in the Mohawk Valley, midpoint to near peak. Still beautiful colors. Expect a little bit more green as well compared to some higher elevations. This week, looking to be the week we're going to see a lot of changes in the leaves, as well as temperatures for the next several days. More on the mild side at chilly nights, and expect some sunshine as we head into next week, the middle of next week. But currently, we're expecting chilly temperatures for this weekend, starting out in the 30s and 40s, 41 degrees for the temperature right now at the Griffith Park in Rome. And taking a live look at our radar, looking at a bit busy radar signatures out towards the west and towards the south. Some rain showers just moving south of Oneonta right now. Expect mostly dry conditions for today. A mixture of clouds and sun from lake effect cloud cover. I'll break down what to expect for the Columbus Day weekend coming up. Back over to you.
All right, Eric.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Welcome back. After a chilly start this Saturday morning, it's not warming up by much for today, with highs only reaching the low 50s, and a mixture of clouds and sun. Even some rain showers cannot be ruled out. Start out by taking a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley. We're seeing a beautiful shot right here. We have some fall foliage in the picture right now. Still some lake effect clouds, but right above those clouds, we're not expecting any sort of cloud cover. So still seeing plenty of sunshine, especially if you're in between some of these cloud bands from the Great Lakes. And taking a look across the state on the New York State Mesnet, you can see some more colors just north of the Mohawk Valley in the North Country. Still seeing a lot more green in the Mohawk Valley, as well as some parts of the Southern Valley still too. This week looks to be the week ahead, looking ahead towards more fall foliage changes. Look ahead towards next weekend. Taking a live look at your for battery storm tracker 2, top of the radar, mostly dry. Still keeping an eye on some rain showers out towards the west, some lake effect showers that will be moving into our area and gradually weakening, but still we cannot rule out an isolated shower just for today. Still too a chilly day in store for us, starting out this morning in the 30s, 31 degrees in Gray, 33 degrees in Curtis Corners, 42 in Mohawk, and 41 degrees in Clinton. In the Southern Valleys, temperatures in the 30s, 39 degrees in Hartwick, and 38 degrees checking in Edmiston. What is influencing weather for today? We are in between two cold fronts. There's a wedge of high pressure moving its way from the south. This is dragging winds across the Great Lakes right now. What this will be doing over the next several days is keeping our temperatures relatively mild in the low to mid 50s. As this cold front pushes in from Canada, though, it will be gradually weakening and then slowing down, looking at more cloud cover heading to Sunday and Monday. Also seeing a little more warmer temperatures looking ahead towards the start of next week as that cold front once again weakens and then moves its way out towards the east. So for our skycast for today, warming up only into the low 50s with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. After that, cooling down into the 30s again. Another chilly night in store for us tonight. More cloud cover in the North Country starting out tomorrow morning. And these cloud bands from lake effect gradually moving their way down towards the south heading into the afternoon for Sunday. Heading into Sunday night and early Monday, expects additional chances of rain showers as a weak system moves its way out towards the east for the next several days. So for today, high 51 degrees, lake effect clouds possible, a bit breezy as well. Wind speeds between 5 to 10 miles per hour for today. Chilly tonight, cooling down into the 30s with decreasing clouds, and tomorrow a similar story. Taking a look at the rest of Columbus Day weekend, still seeing cooler temperatures in the 50s with a mixture of clouds and sun. Overnight lows in the 30s, warming up a bit for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then another cold front pushes through Thursday and Friday with another chance of seeing some rain showers. And our final trivia question for today: what is the warmest temperature recorded in central New York in the month of October? And once again, I want to reiterate, this is recorded in Rome, so more in the Mohawk Valley.
Recorded at Griffiths. I am
Yes.
going to say, I'm going to go with B, 85.
85 is close. In the 80s, 89. It's the 5th of October, 1941. We didn't reach 90 degrees at all in October, so definitely a outlier there. It's a bit chilly starting out this morning, so.
Yeah, we're a ways away from 89.
A bit of a ways away from
and
80s.
a ways away from 1941 for that matter. So, right. We'll have a lot more coming up right after the break. Stay with us.
For a first look at your forecast at 6, here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric?
Good evening. We are continuing to track some cooler temperatures today. Highs only reaching the upper 40s to low 50s. But first, taking a look at some fall colors around the area. This was sent in by Diane in Macaulay Mountain, Old Forge. You can see beautiful fall colors right there. Another one sent in Richfield Springs by Lynn. Taking a look at some nice, beautiful reds. Peaks are still starting to show up more in the North Country right now. Looking ahead towards more higher colors in the forecast. Look ahead towards the next several days. This was sent in by Todd in Old Forge. And this one, lastly, once again, a lot of them are in Old Forge. A lot of the peak colors are currently in the North Country right now. The Mohawk Valley is lagging behind a little bit, but within the next week or so, peak colors looking to be in the forecast. Looking to submit some fall pictures as well. Send them to weather@wktv.com or submit them on our Facebook page at WKTV Weather. And currently right now, we're looking at a few showers in the area for this evening. Looking at a few breaks and with sunshine as well. Look at that full forecast is coming up. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. The Mohawk
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. We're continuing to see more and more of those cooler fall days in the forecast. One of those days continuing into today with highs only reaching the upper 40s to low 50s. A little bit warmer over the next several days, but still cool weather is in the forecast, at least for the end of this holiday weekend. Start out by taking a live look at our Cavity Tower camera. Some low-level clouds are beginning to mix out towards the east. We could be seeing a nice sunset. It all depends on if those clouds are continuing to diminish, especially west of our area, but still some sunshine is peeking out, an otherwise mostly cloudy day. However, it's not the main story across most parts of the area. Taking a live look at your for battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, dry across the southern valleys and Mohawk Valley. Over the North Country, seeing some lake effect rain showers has been the story. On and off showers throughout the day today, along with lake effect clouds. And that will be the story as we head into tomorrow as well as Monday as a cold front arrives from the north. A chilly day today, highs in the 40s, 43 Gray, 42 in Forestport, 45 degrees in Barneveld, 44 in Schuyler, 48 degrees in Clinton as well as New Hartford. Southern Valleys, temperatures in the 40s as well, 43 degrees in Milford and Edmiston, 45 degrees in Hartwick and Paynes Hollow, and 46 degrees we check in Cassville. The next 5 days, we're warming up a little bit, heading into Sunday and Monday. Temperatures warming up into the mid-50s, reaching the upper 60s by Wednesday, and then cooling down once again as another cold front pushes through later on this week that could bring some more widespread showers. And we're wedged in between two cold fronts right now on a radar and satellite composite. As this high pressure moves its way towards its south, it's dragging in some lake effect cloud cover and showers. What this will be doing, this will be causing our weather to remain on the cool side as some cooler weather arrives from Canada. And after that, this cold front looks to be weakening and then stalling. And after that, we're seeing a possibility of some lingering clouds and showers for Monday. And after that, warmer temperatures are on the horizon. A look ahead on our Skycast for tonight, cooling down once again into the 30s, another chilly night, decreasing clouds throughout the night and warming up tomorrow into the upper 50s. Lingering lake effect showers possible as they move from the north towards the south. A higher chance of rain showers in the North Country for the morning and higher chance in the southern valleys by the evening. Cooling down by Sunday morning into the 40s with lingering showers in the morning and mostly cloudy skies as the system is stalled right above us. We'll continue to see some more mild temperatures in the 50s as we look ahead towards Monday afternoon and heading into Monday evening, cooling down into the 40s. Another chilly night in store for us as we head into the end of Columbus Day weekend. So for tonight, a low 37, decreasing clouds. Tomorrow, high 56. Lake effect cloud cover is in the forecast. A bit breezy as well, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. Your 7-day forecast, warm up after Columbus Day, which is not on Tuesday, it should be on a Monday, and some lingering showers on Thursdays. We'll head towards Friday, temperatures warming up into the low 60s. Be right back.
Thank you very much, Eric. A first look at your forecast tonight at 11. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric.
Good evening. Yes, we are continuing to track a few clouds moving throughout our area for tonight, cooling down into the 30s. Another chilly night ahead of us. Warming up a little bit over the next several days, but getting through a little bit of cloud cover, especially for tomorrow and as well as Columbus Day itself. Taking a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Looking at mostly dry conditions. However, we cannot rule out some more lake effect showers moving just north of the Mohawk Valley, heading into tomorrow morning and then moving its way down towards the south by the afternoon. Current temperature 39 degrees at the Griffith Park in Rome and cooling down pretty quickly. We're seeing temperatures in the mid 30s, even low 30s, possibly below freezing in the North Country in higher elevations for tonight. Weather headlines, another chilly night tonight. Lake effect clouds tomorrow, mixture of sunshine as well, possibility of a few rain showers. More info on that coming up in just a minute. And we are once again slowly warming up over the next several days and keeping an eye on the fall foliage. If you want to send your pictures, send them to weather@wktv.com or WKTV Weather Facebook page. We're going to put them on air either tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. as well as tomorrow evening at 6 p.m. Before tonight, cooling down into the 30s with decreasing clouds and some rain showers as well as some clouds are in the forecast for tomorrow, and once again those details are coming up. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. The Mohawk.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. We are wrapping up a chilly day across central New York with highs barely reaching the 50-degree mark. Definitely feeling more like fall as we head into the next several days. A little warmer as we head into tomorrow as well as Columbus Day itself. Taking a recap of today's weather so far, the high for the day reached 49 degrees. The low 34, so we didn't reach below freezing, but still very close. But take a look at the average October rainfall, 5.42 inches. It's actually over the past 10 years or so, this has been the rainiest month on record for central New York, especially in the Rome region. And so far, we're starting out pretty dry, only a fifth of an inch of rainfall recorded so far. So starting out a bit on the dry side to start out so far this month. However, we're tracking additional light showers in the forecast as we look ahead towards the next several days. Live look at our Caveat Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Things are looking pretty quiet across the area right now, as well as a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Similar story, dry conditions. However, some lake effect showers could develop just towards the eastern part of Lake Ontario and then gradually move its way south throughout the day tomorrow. In fact, around the clock for tomorrow, we're starting out in the chilly side, 40s and 30s to start out in the morning, warming up into the 50s by the afternoon, high of 55 degrees. Breezy as well, especially in the mid-afternoon at 14-mile-per-hour winds, so between 10 to 15-mile-per-hour winds tomorrow. Definitely a bit breezy. However, starting out, we're seeing a bit of a cloud cover starting out in the morning, and as well as increasing chances for rain showers, especially south of the North Country as we head towards tomorrow evening itself. This is all due to the fact that we are in between two cold fronts. A high-pressure system is moving its way towards the southeast. This is dragging in some cooler Canadian air across the warmer Great Lakes. This causes lake effect rain showers and clouds. Since it's above freezing, we're not seeing any snowfall right now. However, keep an eye on this. This cold front gradually weakens and then remains stationary. This is causing our chances for rain showers to increase heading into Columbus Day itself. It's not expecting a complete washout right now, but still expect mostly overcast skies. Look ahead towards the end of this holiday weekend. But other than that, looking at more mild temperatures, a little bit warmer compared to today. So for a skycast for tonight, cooling down once again into the 30s, a chance of a stray shower, especially north of the Mohawk Valley. Those rain chances gradually move their way down towards the south. You can see as the wind direction changes from the west down towards the north. And seeing mild temperatures tomorrow, highs reaching the mid-50s. Cooling down tomorrow night into the 40s with mostly cloudy skies and warming up tomorrow afternoon, or warming up Monday afternoon, heading into the mid-50s. With mostly cloudy skies and once again a chance for a shower or two as the system continues to move its way out towards the east. Look ahead towards more favorable conditions for rainfall heading into Columbus Day itself. And then cooling down once again into the 40s as we look ahead towards Tuesday morning. So recap of the weather for tonight, a low of 37 degrees, decreasing clouds. Tomorrow, a high of 56 degrees. Lake effect clouds in the forecast. Can't rule out a stray shower or two, especially in the evening. You see breezy conditions as well, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. Our 7-day forecast, slightly warming up over the next several days. By Tuesday and Wednesday, warming up into the mid-60s to upper 60s. Then a cold front pushes through again with the highest chance of rain showers looking to be Thursday and into Friday. We'll be right back.